I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Sites. Open your site immediately and confirm it's the one you'll share. Once the editor loads, click Publish. That makes a stable URL. After publishing, open the Publish Settings pane and locate the site URL. This is the link you'll distribute. Make sure you recognize the exact domain and site name so you don't copy a preview or draft address. Don't stop here. Copying the URL too soon can give you a preview link instead of the public address. Once done publishing, set visibility deliberately. Choose Restricted Domain Only or anyone with the link. Make sure to select Viewer unless you want collaborators to edit. Editors can change content and permissions, so use that sparingly. If you want the site discoverable, enable search indexing and confirm custom domain settings before sharing broadly. After adjusting, click Save or Done. This applies the permission scope to the URL. That way, the link you copy matches the exact audience you intended. Copy the published site URL and immediately test it in an incognito window. This verifies what an external viewer sees. Once verified, paste the link into email, chat, or embed it on other pages. Include a brief note about who should access it and any deadlines. If recipients report problems, don't panic, reopen Google Sites, confirm the site is still published and that visibility is set to the correct audience. If needed, republish after changing permissions and retest the link before resending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.